how shiny. I've been buffing it.
Polishing.
Buffing it with this beast. So here you can see where it's not shiny, and then, oh, the effort's been put in, look at that. So yeah, just half of this wheel left, the other side, and the other wheel to do.
All right, come in close, so Freddie don't see it.
Come here.
Remember I put that there. Because, you know, I put that down in different places in here and then spend an hour searching for it.
That being his wedding ring.
Which can very easily be confused for a spacer.
Why don't you put it in the little pocket that's on your jeans? Like this little
Don't
extra
come
one
with
here.
all answers and things.
Don't want the solution focused gob face.
No. Don't. So.
Okay.
Handlebars are on.
Handlebars are on.
We weren't risking that, was we?
Nope.
So, carrying Allen keys in my pocket somewhere.
Along with the lid to your cup.
Yeah, you lost that, didn't you?
Joe has a Harley Davidson cup that has a lid on it so that it keeps his coffee warmer for a bit longer when he's down here, and all morning he's been claiming I'd lost it when it was washed up, and then he's announced to me just that he's found it and it was in his pocket.
It was in my pocket.
But you know, I never got the, oh, it was my mistake, not yours. I'm sorry. I think that's going to get cut out.
I think you should be grateful that I found it.
I'm grateful of the finding it to reduce the tantrum. This looks fiddly.
Is it?
I don't know. Are these just standard Allen keys that connect all of this?
Yeah. Everything has got all new shiny fixings though.
Oh yeah, you went to somebody in town that you go to, in Tamworth, yeah?
Yeah, I think it's CW fasteners. But they're always very helpful. They do like industrial stuff, so they supply most people in like hundreds, thousands of different fixings, and then I walk in and say, can I have 2 of them? Can I have 3 of these? 5 of them, please. And he always looks, he says, you've got a list again, haven't you? Yeah, I have. I got a list.
But yeah, all new, just shiny fixings and fittings.
Still got to drill the hole for that.
Ah, yes.
You know the details of that, so you can explain that.
Oh, you think I can remember?
I told you yesterday.
You did tell me yesterday. So, inside this that's got the kill switch on it, is that what that is, or is that a light?
That's kill switch.
That's a kill switch, there we go.
Is the switch gear?
There's something inside here.
Something.
Something that I can't remember what it is, but there is something inside here, and I'm going to push it along a little bit. It's got a thing there that needs a hole drilling. I can see the thing. I don't know what the thing is or what it does, I can't remember.
It's designed to locate in the handlebars to stop the switch gear from turning.
Oh, there we go. It's going to stop it swivelling round. This looks
I love doing these.
irritating job.
I love doing these.
What are we doing?
Connecting
Is that your clutch cable?
Throttle cable.
Throttle cable. I'm on the wrong side.
And then they're always fiddly until they just click in, and then it's like I was always going to just fit.
Make it feel like you were messing about.
Yep.
I'm just leaving a little gap.
Feels like it's been the never-ending jigsaw, this one.
One of the reoccurring conversations Joe and I keep having is how when there's more pieces back on the bike than there has been previously in the last month or so, there is now quite a lot of it back on.
What I always do, just to interrupt you.
Oh, interrupt me then.
Yeah, is I push this on
Oh, to
till you
make sure
feel it
it's on
touch
the
the
end.
end, and then come back just a touch
So you have a little gap
at the very
at
end.
the very, very end.
Yep.
Is that like when you're testing new shoes, you don't want your toe to
It
go all
allows
the
for
way
that
to the
float,
end?
which means this don't stick them.
Ah, I see.
I think I want him down there like that.
Would you sort of just put these to, like, not completely tight, because
Yeah.
once we have the wheels back on, it's on the floor,
And the tank.
and the tank, you adjust it again?
Yeah.
I see.
But he can kind of move along.
So, as I was saying before I was rudely interrupted,
Who did that?
is that we seem to be tripping over
Everything.
everything. And we don't understand because there's lots of it that's back together.
Yeah, that's better, isn't it?
Let me see. Oh yeah, because you're going to cable tie this here, aren't
Yeah.
you? And then and it's got more wiggle room
Good.
through there. We're surprised how much space we found in there as well to fit that through.
Just get the clutch side on. And then you've got to catch a train, haven't you?
I have. I'm trying not to get dirty because I'm going out. Again, leaving you.
Yeah, I'm just going to do it all.
Well, you know, it is 12:15 on the Saturday before the video's coming out, because we did this footage once,
We did.
and the camera that we used wasn't great
Stabilisation is
and
horrendous.
made us feel a bit travel sick when we watched it back. So we decided that we didn't want you guys to feel travel sick.
It's the effort we're making for people, isn't it?
Yeah, we care. And these do up underneath.
Yeah. Bolts is. These are all new fixings as well.
I'm doing a really bad job of trying to get a look at this. There we go.
Go back a bit.
Yep.
There you go. And where's my grip?
But somebody felt like it had gone up in price and refused to buy a new can.
There he is. Him back. Somewhere there.
These have cleaned up lovely.
And the switch gear. It was
Yeah.
all pretty bad.
You were cleaning these yesterday.
But we're going to be somewhere like that, I think.
Are they supposed to be different colours?
They're anodised and they've aged really bad. These are tech.
Ah. So I was just going to say, can we do anything about this here on the end?
So he actually wants standard levers, which are like a aluminium finish.
I see. So,
So we might be sacking those off.
right.
It's just,
But we'll put them there for now.
yeah.
See where we get.
If you look in here, one key thing,
Where's
try and
the-
point it. So this is the throttle cable's coming down.
This one.
Yep. Into here.
Yeah.
Connects onto the throttle bodies there. If you look down there, there's a screw there.
Oh yeah, I can see that.
Yep. There.
Oh yeah, it's going up and down.
So he's on that, and then if you might be able to see it down in here, but down in there. See that? Wait a minute.
I can see a screw. Press the thing. Ah yeah, I can see it hitting the screw.
Right. Okay. So where it's the screw,
Yeah.
you have to check that when you turn the bars, it doesn't lift off the screw.
It's not on the screw. Press the thing. Oh yeah.
So
I
that-
see.
It
Yeah.
snaps back to that.
No, it didn't lift off.
What
Why-
you don't want to do is when you turn the handlebars, it start revving up.
Ah, I see. That answers my question. I was going to say, why do we do that?
We've got a little bit of free play in there now, so we can probably adjust some of that out. But we have to make sure, because one thing that these are, they're free, but they're a little bit tighter and more stretched than they were.
These are the shock absorbers that are on Freddie's bike, and as you can see, I don't like them. I don't know what the boys think. I don't really care because I don't like them. So we went on eBay, and we had a delivery put in a not so secret location, and we had some new ones delivered. These are second hand. They have been used, however they are in a much better condition than the ones that are on the back of the bike. Do you have them just at the back?
Yeah.
So if we have them just at the back, I'm curious now why we've got 1, 2, 3, 4,
Four.
5, 6 on the floor.
So, we've got the set that were on Freddie's bike
Yep,
when it turned up here.
yep.
We've got the set that came off my bike before I built it. Well, when I built it. 4 years ago, because you keep stuff like that,
Just in case.
just in case.
Right.
And then the other two are Harley Davidson, which are the same length, same spring rating, that came off the Sportster when we put the new ones on that, because you keep them as well,
Just in case.
just
Right.
in case.
Got it.
That's why we have 6 shock absorbers
Yep.
for one bike.
Um,
We've got a new chain.
we got a new chain. Yes, we held
Oh.
that up as well. Yeah.
We're waiting for the master link.
Waiting for that. Yeah. We got a new filter with the genuine part thing written on it.
Yeah.
There, in the box, in the box,
Oh, yeah.
in the box. Pointing,
You
pointing.
want one of them in there.
Yeah, that oil filter, which is clearly superior to all other oil filters because it says genuine parts.
Came from the Triumph dealer.
Go on, you look like you're on the shopping channel now.
Do I? Like The Apprentice. We have one of these. Don't think we spoke about this.
I was just about walk off. We got one of them. What's one of them when it's at home?
Front sprocket cover. Because Freddie had a Motone one, which I don't know where I've put it, which is like half cut away, which is why all the chain grease was all sitting up in that area where you spent hours cleaning it.
I see. And we also mentioned yesterday as well, we have this piece that's come back from the powder coaters.
Oh yeah, from Chris.
Which looks really nice. Our local powder coaters seem to be doing a really good job for us, and we're on first name basis I think now. We've also had these powder coated for the luggage that goes on the back.
And all their brackets.
And all the brackets and a few other bits and pieces
And the other
here.
stuff on the bench, isn't it?
And then yeah, we have some bits on the bench. But yeah, I picked this up from DK Motorcycles in Stoke, and we've had that powder coated and made
So the one was
nice.
bent.
But DK, if you like large scrapyards indoors,
projects. Motorcycles with potential.
have a nose. They are well worth a visit. Joe always has a good time when we go. I often just stand by the heaters and radiators.
That's secret.
What's secret? Secret over there. Wednesday this week, I will be doing a bit of a different video instead of short. We've had some stickers. People were asking about stickers and things. We've used a company called Decal Empire. They've been absolutely fantastic. But I will put a video together on how we can get these out to people if anybody is interested. Did we talk about what's in this box?
Yeah.
I can't remember. I can't even remember what's in this box. But this was another box left in our secret location. Oh, I do remember what's in this box. This is something that I think is also going to be going to the powder coaters. Oh, careful where you touch him. Don't get it on your dress. We have a centre stand.
It's very polarising, that is.
Again, it's something Freddie wanted, so we sourced one. Comes with all the bag of grufty bits that help you fit it.
What's left to say?
What's left to say is in 4 weeks, this bike...
3 weeks.
3 weeks. 3 weeks, yeah, yesterday. This bike will be taking Joe and I on a road trip. We're going to give it a test, check that it works. Joe runs usually to the wire with absolutely everything that he does.
I do.
And because this is a project that I got involved with, I chopped 2 weeks off his deadline time. And we're going on a family trip that we do every year with the family up to Anglesey. So we're going to be taking the Bonnie. Hopefully we'll get there with no problems. But if we get problems, then it makes stories and memories, and it's always entertaining.
We'll do a video on that.
But yeah, if you see us between Tamworth and Anglesey, we'll be going on the Friday of the bank holiday weekend and coming back on the Monday. Give us a wave.
And then what happens?
What happens?
2 weeks after that?
2 weeks after that is the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, which is... Am I telling people? You letting me do it?
Yeah, you can do it. Go on.
Which is going to be our
We'll
big
put,
reveal.
like,
yeah.
Pictures and stuff.
Put pictures and stuff. But yeah, the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride on the 19th of May. We will be at East Birmingham Triumph, which is on Watling Street in Tamworth, local to where we live. They are a Triumph and Honda dealer. But we will be there in the morning from 9 o'clock with the bike, all shiny. We'll be doing a YouTube live from the dealership. Freddie will be there as well with Monica, I believe.
All signed up.
All signed up, all registered. We'll include our pages just so you've got the information and the details of what we're doing and where we are. You are more than welcome to come along and join us. Yeah, I'm going to put a poll out in a couple of weeks just so I can maybe gauge numbers if anybody is interested in coming to see us, just so we make sure that everybody gets opportunity to be involved and come and talk to us if they want.
Yeah.
I don't really know what else to say.
That is it.
Yeah.
So May 19th.
Be exciting. May 19th, the big reveal.
The big day.
Come and see us. Your support has been absolutely fantastic and really overwhelming throughout, so
Yeah.
It'd be nice to meet people, put faces to YouTube names.
Yeah, absolutely. We've seen a few people, haven't we, out on the road?
Yeah, we have. Some people have been out and met us. We met Paul and Rose at the
Red Marley.
Red Marley.
After the long queue.
You got flagged down the other day on the way home. Somebody saw you riding your bike and pulled up at a set of lights next to you.
Threw a sticker on the top box.
Yeah, asked you to pull over and asked if you'd got a sticker and was asking you questions. And we absolutely love it. So please don't be shy. Come and say hello, for sure.
We don't bite.
No, we don't.
And we are looking for projects, so.
Yeah, we're looking for projects, and if you've got a bike that's got any issues or anything that you just want Joe's thoughts, opinions on,
I don't know why they would.
at the DGR. No, I don't know why they would either. But you're also willing to like have a walk round and a nose and a chat with people.
Yeah.
See what what they've got going on. Definitely. But yeah, join us for the YouTube live, or even better in person if you can. That'd be fantastic.
Absolutely.
On
that note, let's get you to a train station.
Yeah, I got some lunching to do.